In this video, we'll look at the text area feature that's available on landing pages. I'll show you what this text area looks like, how it can be used, how to add a new one to a landing page, and how to edit an existing one. I have opened a landing page that contains a fairly robust text area example. In this single text area, I've got a heading and two subheadings, an image, a numbered list, linked text, and other text that's been formatted. I've included a lot of little bells and whistles in this example to show them off, but in most cases, your text area will likely be shorter and just a paragraph or so of text, like the example I am now showing, that just includes a single heading and two sentences of plain text. In this way, a text area can be used to add a single heading to introduce a section of the landing page, or paragraphs of text to include descriptive content. We recommend using a basic page instead of a landing page for sharing more text-based content. If you want to add the same text to multiple landing pages, consider using a piece of micro-content instead, such as a promo or callout. Now let's look at how to add a text area to a landing page. A text area is not a type of micro-content that you can use in multiple instances across the site, but you add it to a landing page as a block in the layout as you would with micro-content such as a promo or link collection. Start by selecting the Layout button in the upper right corner of a landing page. This will open the layout editor for this page. Scroll or go down to the bottom of the section to find and select the link to Add Block. A menu of options will appear on the right side. From this menu, select Text. A pop-up window titled Configure Block will appear, and in that window there is the text field in which you can enter or paste the text you want in your text area. Along the top of this text field is a formatting toolbar that includes icons for linked text, bulleted lists, tables, and a drop-down menu of heading styles. There's also the option to embed an image by selecting the Insert Media icon on the right end of this toolbar. For this example, I will enter the word heading and the word text. Then I will format the word heading as a heading by selecting the word and choosing Heading 2 from the Style drop-down menu. When you've completed entering and formatting text for your text area, select the Insert Block button at the bottom of this window. The pop-up window will disappear, we'll return to the landing page layout editor, and our new text area will appear at the bottom of the section. At this point, I can select the text area block and drag and drop it anywhere in this section. I'll move it just above this promo. To save this work, I must scroll or go back up near the top of the page just under the main heading and select the Save Layout button. Doing so will also bring us out of the layout editor to view the new landing page, and we can scroll or go down to see the new text area as it appears on the page. To edit or remove an existing text area, start by selecting the Layout button again in the upper right corner. Then scroll or go down to the text area you want to edit and select the small pencil icon on the right side of the text area block to open a small menu of options. To make changes to the text area, select Configure from this menu, and it will open the Configure block pop-up window again. To remove the text area, select Remove Block. And in the pop-up window that appears next, confirm your choice by selecting the Remove button. The pop-up window will disappear. Then scroll or go back up to select the Save Layout button once again to save this change. And that's how you create and edit or remove a text area on a landing page. Check out other tutorials to learn more about landing pages and micro content. Thanks for watching.